Okay, we're doing this again because the first time, I don't know what I did. This is Deborah Vinton's creation. I covered this in reindeer moss, the whole roof. There, and then I covered it in raffia on the bottom with some wooden leaves, a sunflower, more raffia, some leaves, more leaves. Pine cone. Pine cone looks real big, but it's a little pine cone. But compared to the house, it's big. Oh, this doesn't do justice. This is my totally first original creation. I didn't copy it off of YouTube from nobody. This is mine. I think they're so stinking cute. Now all it needs is the little birdie to put on the perch. Right there, if I can get to it. Right there. Okay, that's what I've been up to. Here's some more that are ready to decorate, and I'm going to put these on a candlestick. I think they will look so cute, adorable. Okay, thanks for watching.